Hundreds of Catholic faithful from parishes in Shillong, Nongstoin and Jowai gathered at the Archbishop's house Laitumkhrah to pay their last respects to Father Francis Kharwanlang, who passed away at the Nazareth Hospital on the 20th of August 2025 following a prolonged illness. He was 79. Born in Sora in 1945, Father Francis was among the first indigenous diocesan priests of Meghalaya, ordained in 1972. Known for his pastoral service, he was also celebrated as a composer, a singer and writer whose devotional hymns and literary works continue to inspire generations. The funeral mass for late Father Francis Kharwanlang was held on the 21st of August 2025 at the Cathedral of Mary Help of Christians, Shillong. Archbishop Victor Lingdo presided over the solemn service, joined by several concelebrating clergy, before his mortal remains were laid to rest at the Catholic Clergy Cemetery in Laitumkhrah, Shillong.
And Raypan, you can marry extreme young Francis Kharwanlang. His love prepare to grace Comini. Francis Kharwanlang, but his love prepare, Rabban come to Manta to Rabu play. Nagamanta to capture free of play, Kapalan, Bani Paraplay. All along the door, Nagamantaki way, and what George along, a man for others. Long big door dengan mendaki baik, ini yang tadi. Kapor dan kisah ro, mereka ciri aidilun, baru kalau nak mendaki baik. Ini kecil macam Francis Kharwanlang. Lalu bagi kiam kam cerai, haman lagi paris melakukan kam kiu, raya ini nampak, raya ini parabengnya, hati cakap per beratrai. Usuma, upentingan, usuma, usyakti, ya berdoa kepada kami, membawa long tahu, nongsyarah yang paling per.